Okay, guys, we are back. I mean, we are back. We have a new guest here. It's who are you again? So we got a guest here is Shishdan Gaming. This is his voice, guys. This is his voice. Yeah, he's just like 8 years old or something shit. Or he's 8 years old. Yeah, he's a very weird kid, by the way. If you know him, you know him. Okay, we're not gonna say yeah. Uh, yeah, it's just a fit, by the way. So we're just gonna play some Rush Point. We're gonna play a lot of Rush Point, guys, because he loves Rush Point. Yeah, it is true. I don't even like Rush Point. Huh. Alright, let's go. Damn, I died. How convenient. Let me go change in Crimson. Oh, I can't go here. Oh, I got a kill. I'm popping off. Oh, a headshot. I died though. Okay, I'm about to die. Oh no. Yeah, you killed. Oh no, you died. I died. I got five, my broski. I got five. And I died again, once again. What should I use? The furry. Let's use the fur. Retreat, retreat. Oh, I died. I got sniped. Hope I miss. Bro, I got sniped again, bro. You gotta be kidding me. I'm not even trying my best. There we go. There we go. I killed 7 peoples. Oh, another one. Let's go. I didn't call killed 70. Oh, I got some heals here. Damn, bro. You good. Yeah, he told me that he's good. Oh, I got a headshot. Let's go. I'm finally worthy. 9. I'm absolutely garbage. Yeah. I'm so garbage. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. We ended with, I got 10 kills. I ended with 10 kills. You ended with 10 kills. What? Joy Ato. He very sus, guys. He very sus. What? Yeah, there's a lot of sussy baka stuff. Okay. Okay, I am loading, bro. I'm loading. Okay, I'm gonna pick a sniper. And let me just pick up some bombs. Oh, I already died. This is so slow. Oh, I got him. Oh, I didn't know. Now people are gonna bully me because I killed you. Damn, you got me too. Oh, somebody got me, not me. Bro, imagine this game as a execute. Oh, did I kill you? Yeah, you died to King. Yeah, you. I know you're Zyla, but you. I thought you were. Oh, here's a Zyla. There's two Zyla. I don't know what's the other Zyla. Kind of. That. Not in that way, bro. Not in that. A little. Oh, you killed me. Oh no, Sky Yogyat. Yogyat? I'm not racist. Can you actually please stop racism? Yeah, I farted too. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, you're, oh, oh, oh. There's another cane that is a cane master. What do you mean there's no another ability? Oh, there. Gotcha. There's another cane that is popping off. What? How did I die? Boy, yeah, he likes roasting. Mo, I missed the shot. Sir, I killed Sky. And I die. Hey, at least I got a rhyme. Ooh, I got a kill. At least I'm rhyme with the brime. You guys have been warned. Pew. Dude, I hit them. Why did I didn't get them? No, no, no. I think I was behind you, yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Bro, I actually keep getting hit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I got a kill, but I died the same time. Bro, they're teaming. Dude, there's two Zyla on me, bro. It's one of you. Oh. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the first with fitting sheesh. Bye, guys.